1903, the Duplex Coil Company, a small machine shop operated by Edward J. Huber, opened its doors in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin, and a group of 6 dedicated employees began to manufacture the duplex vibrator-type automotive ignition coil. At the same time, Henry Ford introduced assembly line manufacturing to fuel the new and rapidly growing automotive industry. In 1912, engineer Robert C. Wells incorporated what is known today as Wells Vehicle Electronics and named it the R.C. Wells Manufacturing Corporation, where the duplex vibrator coils for automotive ignition systems were produced, along with other automotive electrical components, including ignition coils for the Ford Model T. What mattered most to Robert Wells and Henry Ford from the very start of the automotive era? Manufacturing, delivering, and supporting high-quality, reliable products matters even more now, 120 years later. Today, Wells produces a wide variety of industry-leading engine management and vehicle electronics components, including ignition coils, solenoids, emissions products, relays, voltage regulators, and a wide variety of sensors and switches to control essentially every vehicle function. Though the location and look of our facility in Fond du Lac has changed dramatically over the past 120 years, Wells' commitment to building industry-leading vehicle electronics and engine management components with a focus on engineering, manufacturing, testing and validation, customer service, sales and marketing, and technical support has remained steadfast. And it all begins with one key element: our people.
It's the people who make it happen. We've had a core team, a core nucleus of people that have been with Wells for a very long time.
We have so many long-term employees that have been here so long. They know what they're doing, and they really enjoy working at Wells.
We've stayed active. We've stayed connected to the installer, and that's always been important to me.
It's a teamwork that we all come together and get it done.
We got really good people here that listened to us and really helped us do our jobs easier.
There haven't been many companies that have been in business for 120 years.
The care and the dedication of everyone here is incredible.
To make Wells really successful, it was a lot of innovation. How do we do things quickly, quietly, and efficiently?
We definitely test and validate everything to the specs required, where other places will shortcut stuff.
We know how to do everything from start to finish. We're not just a small part of it. We're involved with pretty much all aspects of it.
And I think that makes it more personable. You have the ability to work one-on-one with all different departments within the organization, whether it's on the manufacturing side, the supply chain side, customer service, or marketing.
We all know that change is inevitable, but when you're driven by engineering and an industry that is focused on continual improvement, change is a constant. From humble beginnings as a small machine shop to implementing automation and the advanced technology that powers Wells today, our people not only continually embrace change, they lead it.
It's went from pencil and paper to automation, robotics, 3D CAD, FEA, simulations, things like that. So technology is crazy compared to what it was at the start.
There's a lot of advancements in hardware, speed of acquisitions, improving the throughput times of testing our products.
We've evolved with the technology, with the electronics, with the material advances.
When you're launching 100 to 150 new products in production every year, staying with the market pace, and be able to diversify quickly and rapidly, our flexibility allows us to basically stay competitive in the marketplace.
Every year, every decade, the manufacturing, they change all the time to be good, to be better.
Lots of people don't like change, but actually change can be very good.
And as much as our company and the variety of industries we serve today has changed, some things have always remained the same.
The part of our process that I feel has stayed the same would be our high standard of quality.
Our drive to satisfy our customers, to fill their requirements, whatever that may be.
The ways we actually have production processes, those have to stay the same because the customer needs us to do things a certain way.
What I believe sets us apart is just the level of engagement that we have from the engineers. And in doing that, you have a much better feel for what you have to do as an engineer to make a better product and support your customer.
Our ability to collaborate has always been a constant.
Bottom line is you have to be dedicated and build a quality product, and I think we've had that throughout the years with the personnel that we have out on the floors.
Wells is guided by the mission to create innovative win-win solutions for all our associates and business partners in vehicle electronics. This means we put our associates first in everything we do. Here's why.
Robert Wells was an engineer. He was not the original owner of the company. But within 1 year, he became the owner of the company. And those associates were very dedicated to the passion they had. The passion was the associates first, and then the customers.
Employees are the most important piece. Our associates are the ones that are the front line to pretty much everything we do as an organization.
Well, we can't do anything for our customers without our associates. The associates have to understand the mission. They have to be happy in their role. They have to have the tools that we can give them to be able to do their job properly. If we don't take care of all those things, it doesn't matter what the customer wants. We're not going to have a company to support the customers.
Putting our associates first means that everyone is focused and wants to contribute to the success. They're not just a cog in the machine.
You know, if you don't have happy associates, you don't have happy customers. If you're not happy when you come to work, it's hard to accomplish that task for our customers.
Wells Vehicle Electronics has been a part of the automotive industry since the very beginning, and we have no plans of slowing down. We recently implemented a new software system that powers our business operations, warehouse, and inventory management. And we're currently augmenting our distribution capabilities and leveraging e-commerce to bring our products even closer to our customers.
I think it's a global market. We're going to be engineering all over the world. We're not just going to be engineering where we're manufacturing.
Testing has always been an important part of developing our products. And moving forward, I think that only becomes more necessary, more valuable.
Learning from the past, that sometimes people forget that you should look at history to look forward.
Even though things are constantly changing, one thing will always remain the same. Wells Vehicle Electronics pledge to quality, coverage, and commitment, as it was there from the start and will remain for the road ahead.
Happy anniversary, Wells!
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 Happy anniversary, Wells!